This is the wireless version of the Gembird mouse. I bought the same model, wired and wireless, but they don't look exactly the same, though functionally they are mostly the same. They have the DPI selector, forward and back, two buttons, and the scroll click. So basically the same mice, but the shape is different. Let's put them side by side. Oops. Look, this is much bigger, this is smaller and taller, and yeah, the wired one is different. I'd say it's more appropriate for gaming, but yeah. Let's see this one. This feels a bit more premium. It feels more solid and the clicks are better. All clicks, even these buttons, sound like real mouse buttons. In the other one, in the wired mouse, they were primitive buttons from DVRs used them, and some old equipment where you have to press buttons on the box. Yeah, those are not really great. So let's see. One thing I have to mention is that it's really hard to get this door out, and also the second battery is hard to get out. And yeah, that's not the best thing, but yeah, I almost started peeling off these legs. Good thing I took the cover off. Now I see there's the screw. Hopefully that's the only screw we need to get out to get into this mouse. That's always unfortunate when the screws are under the feet and then you end up ruining the feet just by taking apart the mouse, which should be... Oh boy, wow! This is awesome, I have to say. It's, I think, the same sensor, LED and whatever, but the buttons are all real mouse buttons. So potentially, if you wear out the front two, you can replace them with these two, and yeah, these are really nice mouse buttons, the same brand as the buttons in the wired mouse. And yeah, nice little plug for the batteries. And here's the model number for the circuit board. YHK WK303 68M version 1.0. And this is also a 2023 design. So that's interesting. The scroll wheel is almost the same shiny thing, but this one pushes down on a real mouse button, real mouse switch. And also the sensor is sideways. It's kind of weird, but some mice do it. Here's the brains, and this one also transmits the, not Bluetooth, wireless signal. Here's the on-off switch. Yeah, what? This is kind of weird. It's through hole. You can see nothing is soldered to the end, but only half of it is soldered here. So this wasn't thought through. Kind of silly to have a big switch, a double switch, and only use half of it, but yeah. If they already designed it this way, why not? So this is the $4 mouse, I think, or 5. And yeah, it has all the things that it needs. Let's just read off the model number or something. BYKC 68MS M16 AAD9 AJ BY 2304, that's probably the date, S557. So yeah, this also has SMDs. 1, 2, 3, 4. The other one had none of these, the wired mouse. Probably you need more of these things for the wireless transmitter. And yeah, kind of interesting. But yeah, this is also a great mouse. As I said with the wired mouse, this is the bare minimum you want, especially with the all mouse switches. I have to recommend this over the wired one, even though it's more expensive. $1-2 more expensive. Yeah, who cares? But if you're buying a lot of them, maybe then it matters. And yeah, I tried it slightly for a few minutes, no lag, works as intended. I really like these mice, these Gembird mice, and nice and disposable. If you and also they have no rubber on the surface, so your finger doesn't get sticky after a month or two. And yeah, just nice plastic mice. If you want to stick something on them, you can, a piece of rubber or foam or whatever. But yeah, I like them as they are. And yeah, maybe I'll make a comment about them after I use them for a while. I try to use them in the coming weeks. And yeah, I'll leave affiliate links in the description. And yeah, see you in the next video.